very few ingredients, as you can see. In addition to the spices, just fry with very little olive oil some onions. As they turn brown, just add some ginger garlic paste. To this add salt, turmeric powder and some red chili flakes. That's it. Add 1 tomato, cook it for a few minutes and then add the chicken boneless. When the meat is tender, add spinach or any vegetables of your own choice. Cook for 15-20 minutes and it's all done. And then just shred it into small pieces. Add any raw vegetables of your choice and mix it well. Now turn the flame off and add cheese if you like it. I have just separated some chicken because my youngest son doesn't like any veggies. And here is some cheese for him as well. Now time to take your tortilla pockets out and just fill it with meat or veggies or any fresh toppings of your choice. Homegrown organic vegetables, I think that's the best filling you can have. These pockets have to be covered in the oven. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Celsius if it's a fan equipped oven. Here is your final product. Yum yum.